Welcome to Kerbal Space Program. I'm about to try and put this game in a nutshell in 5 minutes. For those that have never played, or maybe are looking to play, I'm going to give you the gist as quickly as I can. Start new. We're going to call it new. I know, original, right? I'm going to go with the career. So here we are at the Kerbal Space Station. We have several options here. This is the, I like to call it the bar, where all your Kerbals hang out, and you can hire them, because of course everyone that needs to be hired hangs out at a bar. This is the space plane area, where you build planes and fly them around Kerbin, and you can fly them into space at some point. But in career, you don't have crap. This is the Science Center. And as you see, since I just started, I have no science. What this gives me, this one cute little green thing, gives me these items right here. That's what I have to work with. And part of being a career is that you have to go to space and get science. The more science you get, of course, the more stuff you can buy. See, I need 5 science just to get this little guy, which is more fuel tanks and the couplers and stuff like that. So in order to get to space, well, I'd better build me a spaceship. As I come out of the space hangar, I am now given a command pod, which you have to start with. Right, propulsion, gas tanks, solid fuel boosters. Now, as you can see if you read it, if I hover over it, they can't be turned off. So once you fire them, they're a solid fuel booster. Go figure. And they're about that size. So one Kerbal, that's probably Jeb. Yep, Jeb. One Kerbal can fit in here, and that is a solid fuel booster right there. So you can see that the sizes, as you progress through the game, it gets bigger and bigger. But right now, I'm just clicking on items, connecting them together, and I'm going to try a launch. I'm going to call this one Going Nowhere, because with this amount of fuel and that rocket, yeah, I'm not going anywhere. So as you see above here, controls, I have no controls. Structural, I get girders, which, you know, I could put on here, and actually, you know what, why not? Let's try this out. Now if I hit the X button while I have this highlighted, it grows in the numbers that I want to put on it. Now if you notice down here, that's why. It shows 4. You know. So we'll strap these guys on. And I only have to hit X once there, and it immediately jumps to 4 because of the girder segments that I just put on it. We're at a 4 rate. So we'll just connect those and take a look. It looks like death, but okay. Now with utility, they give me a parachute. I don't even, oh, I get a parachute. Awesome. Big one. In fact, let's put parachutes on all of these. Awesome. There we go. Now down here, you see that these are my solid fuel boosters. There's 4 of them. And this is my rocket motor. And they are also in the same stage as, well, my parachutes. So yeah, let's fire my parachutes at the exact same time I fire my motors. No, let's not do that. Let's move all the motors down to a different stage. There we go. Now see, 0 is the last stage, of course. 1 is the first stage. Easy peasy Japanesey. Alright, saving this. Going nowhere. And I'm going to launch. Okay, here's my ship. Yay! And Jebediah is sitting in the cockpit. And making a Kerbal Space Program tutorial takes a whole lot more than 5 minutes, apparently. There's no way I can get everything crunched into 5 minutes. So I'm going to break the tutorial videos up into several 5-minute bite-sized chunks for you guys, and I'll see you there.